Hi everyone, this video is going to be about eyebrow tattoo removals. And even though you can see that I don't have any eyebrow tattoos, I have just the right information to share with you because I know exactly what you can do to remove your eyebrow tattoo without any pain and any health issues. I've spent countless hours every day for months researching tattoo removals because I once had a tattoo removal as well, and I managed to remove my tattoo without any pain and any health issues and risks whatsoever. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply that principle to remove your eyebrow tattoos and how you can painlessly get rid of them forever without any scars at home. So when you get an eyebrow tattoo removed, you oftentimes choose to go to a laser technician who is an expert in removing tattoos from someone's back or someone's chest or someone's leg. But eyebrows are a very special case because the skin on your forehead is a different one than on your body. The reason is that skin is different on all your body parts, and the skin below your eyebrows is especially sensitive to pain. There are tons of nerves running through that area of the skin and they are very sensitive. The reason is that because of evolution, humans had to protect themselves from all kinds of insects, and whenever there was an insect crawling here, then they immediately had to know it because that was a life threat. So because of the evolutionary process, the human body developed an extreme amount of nerve cells in this area, so you can immediately notice any sensations on your skin. And getting an eyebrow tattoo removed can be painful, I have to be honest. But if you follow through this video, you'll know exactly what you can do to painlessly remove your tattoo as well. When you are on YouTube and you are looking for tattoo removal methods at home, you'll find tons of useless stuff that will only risk your health. You will find tips from sanding down your eyebrow tattoos to itching it off and using acid to burn it off and using hot metal to burn your skin to death so the tattoo ink goes off, and all of that will mess up your eyebrows forever. So don't listen to stupid advice from non-experts online. YouTube is full of it. And even if you Google it, how to remove my eyebrow tattoo at home, you will find tons of the same tips over and over and over again, and all of these will hurt you. When I wanted to remove my tattoo, then I decided to just ask my cousin, who's a tattoo artist, to give me some advice on the best method that he can suggest me to remove a tattoo at home. And he also stated that don't look up stupid stuff on the internet because all of that is wrong. All of that will risk your health. It will work, but you will end up with scars. And what he advised was a simple product. It's an ebook, and that ebook contains certain information that you can follow through to remove your tattoo effortlessly. And the basic principle goes like that. The ink of your tattoo is trapped between the layers of your skin. That's the upper layer, that's the lower layer, and the ink of the tattoo sits between these layers. Now when you get a laser tattoo removal, you have to penetrate the upper layer and destroy it to reach the ink. The same goes for all other tattoo removal methods. When you burn your tattoo off, you also destroy the upper layer of the skin, and when you rub it off with friction, the key point is also to destroy the upper layer of the skin. Basically, all methods for tattoo removal have a negative impact on your skin in some way. laser tattoo removal is safer than the at-home methods, but still you will end up with pain, with blisters, maybe even with scars if you don't have the right laser technician, and it's not comfortable to get a tattoo removed at all. Now, that ebook that my cousin suggested is about a specific method that makes use of certain herbs that you can consume, and by consuming it, these foods will flush out the ink naturally from between the layers of your skin. If you eat certain foods, you can start certain body activities. It's similar to when you're eating nuts, you're consuming healthy fibers and some fats, and these nutrients will help you think better. Or when you consume tea that contains tryptophan, which is a natural sleeping nutrient, and it helps you fall asleep better. And similarly, there are herbs that activate a body flushing effect. And this body flushing effect absolutely cleanses the layers of your skin and naturally fades your tattoo. You will start noticing that fading of your tattoo within just a few days, and it takes between 2 weeks to 8 weeks to completely remove your tattoo using this method. Now, as you can see, there's a clear difference between removing your tattoo with this method that my cousin suggested and all the other ones, while laser tattoo removals and all those YouTube tutorial tips always involve some kind of pain where you have to rub your skin. The natural method involves certain foods that activate certain body activities that you can use to naturally flush out the ink of your tattoo. And if you know how that works exactly so you can follow it along, I've linked this book in the description down below. Just click the link and check the product. It's absolutely worth it. I was able to clean my full-size back tattoo with it, and you'll be able to clean your eyebrow tattoos with it. Well, to sum everything up, the best advantages of it is that you don't need to hurt your skin on the eyebrows. You won't have any scars, and you will flush out the ink from your eyebrow tattoo naturally. You will notice a clear difference within just the first week or the first 2 weeks. It depends from person to person because everyone has a different setup of skin layers. So that's my recommendation. Definitely check the product in the description down below. It's an ebook with clear step-by-step instructions, and it's absolutely worth getting. You save yourself so much pain and so much hassle. It's incredible. No matter which tattoo you want to remove, it's always my favorite recommendation because you don't have to experience or endure any kind of pain. I think it's just a superior method, and if you want to know more about it, then check the link in the description below. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.